Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Sign In on iOS, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Google Sign In on iOS, start by opening your Xcode project. Ensure you have the Google Sign In SDK installed in your project. You can install it using CocoaPods or Swift Package Manager. If you're using CocoaPods, make sure to add pod Google Sign In to your pod file. After specifying the pod, run pod install in your terminal. Once the installation is complete, open your .squirkspace file. Next, import the Google Sign In module into your app delegate. Add the import statement by typing import Google Sign In at the top of your app delegate file. In your app delegate, configure the Google Sign In within the application _did finish launching with options method. Set up the client ID by adding gid sign-in.shared instance, .client ID equals firebase app.app. Options.client-id. Make sure to add necessary URL types in your info.plist for Google Sign In. Go to your project settings and select your target. Under the Info tab, add a new URL scheme with your reversed client ID. To find your reversed client ID, located in the Google Service info.plist file. Now, you need to implement the application _open options method in your app delegate. Use this method to handle the URL that your app receives at the end of the authentication process. Next, create a login button in your view controller. You can use UI button or any custom view for this purpose. Add an action to your button that triggers the Google Sign In process. In the action method, call gid sign-in.shared instance.sign-in. Make sure your view controller conforms to gid sign-in delegate. Implement the delegate method sign_did sign in for a witherer to handle the sign-in. Check for errors and handle the signed-in user's information appropriately. You can access user details such as user ID, email, and token in this method. For a seamless user experience, consider implementing session persistence. To automatically sign in previously signed-in users on app launch, call gid sign-in.shared instance.restore previous sign-in in your view did load. Finally, test your implementation on a physical device, as using the simulator may have limitations with Google Sign In. With these steps, you can successfully authorize users with Google Sign In on iOS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.